What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing GMAX Venusaur from Pokemon. Let's begin by drawing those leaves folded on top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a curve, going up and then back down on the left side. Now from here we're going to add a fold, going up and in, step down, curve this out and then down towards the same height. And then we'll continue that curve going out and down towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw a straight line going up. I'm just going to bend that in towards the top. And we'll connect this point to the outside with a curve. We're going to start by going up, bending this down towards the bottom right corner. Now we start layering the leaves over towards the left side. From the bottom left, step up, angle down and out. And we'll curve this across and then down. Now we'll add another fold, going up and in, step down, go out and then down. And then we'll continue this curve out towards the side. Now I'm going to pull the side of the leaf going up and then back down on the left side. Start by going around towards the top and then bend that in. Let's add one more leaf on the left side. Start from this point, we'll step up, out, and then down. I'm just going to round up the end, pull this up, and bend that in behind. Now I'm going to move back and draw on the right side. From this point, we'll step up, curve this out, and then down. Let's round up the end. Now we're going to pull this up and in on the right side. Let's add one smaller leaf on the right. Starting down here, round up the bottom, go up, pull that up and in towards the side. Now from here we're going to move up and place that crown on top of the head. Starting right in the middle, start with a point, angle down and out toward the left and right side. Let's add another point on either side. Going up and out, and then come down and out. Let's add a couple more on either side, going up and then down. And finally just going up and out towards the side of the crown. And we'll angle this down and in on top of the head. Let's duplicate this pattern across the middle, starting right in the middle, come down and out toward the side. I'm going to work our way out toward the left, just following those same lines. And we'll go back to the center and do the same on the right. Now that we complete the leaves, let's move down and draw on the head. We're going to start with the eyes, leaving a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, curve the eye going up and then out. Line up the inside over on the right, going up and out. Let's go back to the inside, draw a straight line going out toward the side of the eye. And we'll close the outside of the eye with a curve going out and then in. Now I push the pupils underneath the upper eyelid. Starting on the left, draw a half circle. Coming down and up. Draw a smaller half circle in the center. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add a fold inside the eyes, starting on the left, curves up and out, and do the same thing on the right. Now I move down and draw the top edge of the mouth, directly underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming in and then down, go to the right side, coming in and then down, connect the inside with a slight curve, coming down and up. Let's add in the nostrils. Leaving a gap in the center, draw one short line on the left and one on the right. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of the mouth. Starting over on the left, curve the mouth coming in and then down. Connect the ends with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a large fang on the corners of the mouth. On the left, we'll step in, curl this out, and then down on both sides. Now add one fang along the bottom, going up and then down. Let's draw the outside of the head, starting from the top left, curl the head going out and then down towards the jaw. Round out the jaw and pull that in. Now you want to follow the curve of the mouth, coming in and then down towards the chin. Connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Now with the head complete, let's move up to the side and draw on the arms. Let's start underneath the cheek on the left, curve the arm coming down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now the bottom half of the arm is going to get tucked in underneath. Let's start on the inside. Come in and then down. Now from here we're going to draw the sockets of the claw. Starting from the inside, start with a curve going up and then down. Draw a short line going out. Then we'll add another socket going up and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the first socket, add a short line in between, and draw on the second one. Let's add one more claw on the outside. On the left, start with a short line going out. Now from here, we're going to draw the socket going up, and we'll just bend this down toward the tip of the claw. And we're going to angle this up and in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back and finish off the claws. From these 2 points, I'm just going to curve this down and in towards the middle. Do the same thing along the inside. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of the last claw, curve the arm going up, and then we'll bend that in. And then we'll bend the arm from the elbow, going up and in underneath the leaves. Now with the front arms in place, we're going to wrap these leaves across the back. Let's start from the left side, curve this down and in towards the side of the arms. Now we're going to go back and close off the bottom edge of the body. Starting from the inside of the left arm, curve the body, coming down, rounding this out, and then going up. And we'll bring the hind legs coming down along the back. Starting from the left side, curve down and in towards the heel, go to the right, and do the same thing. And we'll go back to the left side, curve the foot coming down and then out, and then we'll draw on that first claw, going up and then down, draw a straight angle line coming back in. Then we'll do the same thing on the right. From the outside of that claw, draw the foot coming out with a short line, add another claw going up and then down, angle back up. Now we're going to draw the last claw right beside it. Start by going up and then down, and go up and in. And then from the top of the last claw, curve the leg going out and up in behind the front leg. And that's pretty much it. There's Gigantamax Venusaur from Pokemon. Now let's hop back over to the studio. I'm going to show you how to color this in using markers. Let's start by adding that lime green along the inside of the eyes. And then grabbing our brightest red, we'll just color in that inner ring around the iris. And then using this orange, we're just going to fill in that crown. We can also add a shadow on the outside of that crown using a darker shade of orange. And now using a hot pink, we're just going to add a halo around the outside of the body. And also adding a little bit of glow along the inside. also carrying this along the bottom edge. We're also going to bring that highlight around the arms and the head. And we'll fill the inside of the top area with this rose color, working around those highlights. And then filling in the body with this blue color around those highlights. And then for added effect, you can add a dark blue shadow across the top. And we'll go in and fill in the mouth, starting with the dark red on the outside, and then a bright red for the tongue. And using a light pink, we're just going to go across the lower edge of the body. And then filling the claws in with a medium gray. Now if you want to get fancy, you can use a white Posca pen to just add a highlight to the claws on the top left edge. And going back and just darkening up the top edge of the body, cast a little bit of a shadow. And also across the top of the back legs. And there we have it. That's how we draw and color GMAX Venusaur. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and check out our Pokemon playlist up here or jump over to one of our latest lessons. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.